Hi, this is Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic, and we're going to have a part 1, 2, and 3 series of neck pain, the most important exercises that you can do. You know, there's many different reasons of why neck pain occurs, but the big question is, more importantly, things that we can do to self-management, certain strategies. So we're going to break it down into at least 4 different type of categories. One is your posture, the other one is stretching, strengthening, and coordination. So today we're going to talk about posture. This one is the big culprit, and one that as chiropractors we're constantly looking at from the moment we meet you to the moment you leave the office or the room. The big thing that we see, or the big postural disadvantage that we see, is there's forward head carriage, or sometimes it's called forward head posture. An estimated 60-90% of the population has that. Just look around when you're at the bus stop, driving, people looking on their phones, standing somewhere in the grocery store, and this forward head posture strongly decreases many different things, such as your respiration muscles or ability to breathe, alters functions of the eyes, ear functions, the ability to hear, to see. It increases blood pressure. This many times leads to types of arthritis, wearing away of the disc, pinching of the nerves. Classic appearance, or what we see, is when the head moves forward and the shoulders also move forward in the upper back, and this is a hyperlordosis, hyperkyphosis. And and this is a little statistics that you may not be aware of, for every inch forward that the head moves in a forward position, forward posture, it's an additional 10 pounds of pressure to hold up the head. So that puts additional strain and stress on the muscles forward and backward. So here's some things, exercises that you can do to look, to make changes in your posture, especially throughout the day. First of all, number 1, you want to tighten your abdominal area. It doesn't have to be hard or difficult, but just by simply bracing the abdominal area and contracting it. Second thing that you can do, obviously lifting your chest up. Don't just try to tuck your chin backward, but bring the chest up, because automatically when you raise your chest up, shoulders go back. It makes you more aware of that posture. After you've done that, this third thing that you can do is perform a chin retraction. I've gone through this in many other types of videos, but contract some of the abdominal area. I have a slight contraction on mine right now. Lift your shoulder or chest up, shoulders automatically go back. And the next thing to do is just do a slight chin tuck, just like this. It's a retraction. So just gently slide it back. You can do this 8-10 times in a given hour to make that retraining, and do it once an hour. Set your computer or set your clock on your phone to do that. So once again, I'm going to contract just gently onto the abdominal area, chest up, shoulders back slightly, and retract. So it's almost like your head's on it's parallel to the ground or floor. So don't tuck it down, but have the head upward and just glide it and slide it. It's a retraction of moving it backward. You should almost, if you look in the mirror, you'll get like this double or triple chin type. You're doing it correctly then. If you do this throughout the day, do this 8 or 10 times in a given hour, that you're looking at 80 to 100 times, and this is a great way to reprogram or motor program your nervous system. So this will help with a lot of the complications that you may have, difficulty breathing, tension type headaches, amongst the others that I suggested. So stay tuned over the next period of time here, over the next few weeks. I'll be helping you understand more about focusing on stretching, strengthening, and coordination of the neck area. I'm Dr. David Warwick, your local Lacey Olympia chiropractor. You can visit my website at drdavidwarwick.com. You can ask a question. You can visit my website, and under there you can request the back and neck pain relief book that I have as well. and answer any questions that you have by calling 360-951-4504. I hope this information was really helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.